So I saw this video from Vicar's platform, and there's a picture that he attached to that video while laughing and jumping up and down that Ebekuedike is now exposing Mazda American according to him. I'm not interested about Ebekuedike's picture. I'm not looking for his picture. But I knew that many people would like to know who is this Ebekuedike. Not because they want to attack him, I don't believe so. I'm not promoting any violence or any attack on anybody. Because of the title, I know some of you will be like, oh, you are eager to see his picture, no, I'm not. So Ebekuedike is a man that has been trending for past 2 years now, if I'm not mistaken. 1 year, please. Immediately after the arrest of Simon, the Prime Minister in Finland, Ebekuedike happened to be one of the very, very top voice that are celebrating and bragging and wishing, doing all he can to put PM behind the bar. Today, he's now using the same energy to attack Mazda Americano. Before Mazda Americano dissolved the SDOS, they have already known that Mazda is going to do that, but somehow they are contemplating whether he will do it or not. That was why immediately after Mazda dissolved them and ended their career when it comes to freedom fighting, they quickly said that they are going to they spread Mazda and all that. You know the news, so I'm not here to repeat myself. But truth be told, these people know how to lie and do propaganda. Okay? They made it clear, some of them were saying that if Mazda dare them, that they're going to tear him apart. Tear him apart with propaganda and lies. 2 days ago, they fronted, they make a emissary to come and do 1 or 2 things for them. Now they are not trying to tell you that Mazda is aware of any kidnapping job going on in Biafra land. Before now, they used to say that PM Samanekpa is involved and all that. But what they don't know is that people actually know what is going on. They are so desperate and so eager to do anything at all to expose themselves or labeling every criminality around to Mas Namodekano. PM himself made a video and said that whatever that I command is not linked to Mas Namodekano. That video is everywhere, but they don't use that because it's going to kick or end their lying and their propaganda. Anyway, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I want us to listen to this. Pay attention. Because it's going to help you to understand what
Ima ọbụrụ na apọmpụ bọọlụ tụnye ebe ya na mmiri onwe ihe mere bọọlụ ahụ adakpuo n'ime mmiri mmadụ nwere ike try all his best ka o zuo the ball n'ime mmiri mgbe ọbụla hapụrụ bọọlụ ahụ ga-apụtakwa n'elu onwe ihe mere bọọlụ ahụ nọ n'elu ịma otu a ka eziokwu dị eziokwu bụ bọọlụ bụ apọmpụrụ apọmpụ mgbe ọbụla ị hapụrụ ya ike gwụ gị dọ n'ime mmiri ị na-apụta ya na-apụtakwa otu aka ọ dị mgbe anyị na-agwa unu okwu gbasara arụ Nnamdi Kanu kpara n'ala Igbo unu so na anyị na-ekwu inyo onwe onye ga-ege olu ya na Ebekuedike onye a bụ Nnamdi Kanu n'isi na-ebuso Simon na ndị ọtọ pilot agha na-edifend Nnamdi Kanu ma na-agwa ya na ọ the same people ụkọchukwu na the same people ya sị m na-egwu rubbish today eziokwu apụtala ihe okwu arịgo ana m eche ikele ya nwa hụrụ eziokwu wepụtazi na-ekwu eziokwu ọwụ some of you unu hụkwa eziokwu isi ekpu unu ga-ekpukwana unu gbọtụrụ na amana eziokwu gee na ya enwere ihe o kwuru n'ikpeazụ this voice note a that thing shocked m so much gee ntị ka m gwa gị you must listen to it ime mistake skip video you must listen to it eziokwu a na-agba gị afọ listen to it.
Boris, good afternoon. Check and the email. I'm not doing your own. Boris, I won't in the line now. Enough for that now. Obahulu Made Potanago on Yago. All this while, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor na-etinakpo gbasara kidnapping, gbasara killings, gbasara atrocities, ndị ọtọ pilot na committee mgbe ahụ. Ifeanyi Ejiofor ama herself nọ na Nnamdi Kanu ịghọtago recruit Simon Ekpa. Most of us ama nọ na Nnamdi Kanu recruit Simon Ekpa. For you to know that Nnamdi Kanu is a liar, a hypocrite, a deceiver, and all the too deceptive. Ọdọ ekwu eziokwu. Ọnụ ahụ o ji akpọ Chineke Chukwu Okike abịa ma this and that, that and this. Nnamdi Kanu adị ekwu eziokwu. Barrister ọ na-watch and for that na Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and one of our brother a na-akpọ Udejieke ndị amụsụ. Before I wee bata na this matter, ma mụnwa ma Ikenga Uruagụ ma ndị DOS then we now shout, we now go ha kwụsị kidnapping, killing n'Ọsụ Ihitokwa. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor na-eje court, mụ nọ na afịa oluo na-agwa Nnamdi Kanu, gwacha Nnamdi Kanu pụta ọma nkwe wee kpọ Simon Ekpa aha, ọma mkpọ ndị otu ahụ. Nwoke mmadụ na-ata ahụhụ, na-asọfa, na-struggle ka everything, ka enwee ka everywhere do peaceful, ka ya kpee ikpe ma ya ma Sam Ozokome ka enwee ike isi na ekpe ikpe kpọpụta disi nwa amadi ka o si n'ebe ahụ ọ nọpụta. Onye ya na ya na-agbakwu atọ chụnta tọnụ ahụ na-asị ya na okwu ya dịka okwu anụ. Are you getting it now? Onye ọwụ napụta sịrị na Nnamdi Kanu is not working with Simon Ekpa. So onye na mụnwa wee Ebekuedike si ya na ịmara ana m eji nwaanyị were so ihe nke m si ya na mụnwa wee Ebekuedike si ya na asị so ọ na watch ya Simon Barrister kwuche ihe okwu, Nnamdi Kanu kwucha nke ya. Simon Ekpaligo na pulpit ebe ọ na-akọrọ bish wee na-enye ọra si na kidnap ndị ba egbu ma ụmụ nwaanyị dị ime ma ndị adịghị ime ma ndị na-azụ ahịa, na force ndị mmadụ sit at home. Ọ na-anọ n'elu pulpit ya na-asị what you don't know is bigger than you. Ifeanyi Ejiofor kwucha ọ bịakwa na pulpit ebe ọ na microphone ya ọgwụ ya what you don't know is bigger than you. Anyị nwa kwucha si egbuzire ndị mmadụ, si emezire kidnapping, si commit the criminality. Ọbịa ọgwa gị what you don't know is bigger than you. Nnamdi Kanu bịa okwu nonsense n'ọnụ na court. Anybody who is committing criminality, killing our people in the name of you're fighting for me, it's not fighting for me. It's not fighting for me. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu duto ndị IPOB na DOS emegwie Odo relevant, that is Odo famous. Everybody now love him. You change that now. All the atrocities and commitment and criminality, killings, snatching of cars, killing of innocent people at Southeast. Now I ask you, the only Barrister standing against criminality, kidnapping, killing of our people, organ harvesting, snatching of cars, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. I am na ndị nwere plan. Ịma na eziokwu na-adị ekpuchi aka. Ị na-eme ihe feel na ọ ha apụta ihe. One day ọ ga-apụta ihe. A na-egbu ndị police na South East. A na-egbu ndị army. Mụnwa wee Ebekuedike, nna m gwa m sị m Ebekue na m gee ntị mgbe ọ na-emekọtara ihe njekọta chọpụta nke wee eziokwu, hụ nke wee eziokwu. Over 1 million kwurugoro n'okwu asị, ha ncha jikọ ọnụ kwuru n'okwu asị. Ị na as much as na ihe a wee eziokwu ka m fụrụ na m kwuru speak n'eziokwu ahụ. And n'eziokwu ka m kwuru na emecha na eziokwu ya apụta ihe, and up to you will be more higher than those criminals. Depend they use lies to deceive our people.
So all this nonsense that this guy is saying, all this nonsense that he's saying now is premeditated attack. It is not happened by sudden. It's not as if you just wake up and you don't know no. It is an assignment given to them. It's an assignment. The mistake that happened in the past that some of our people are struggling to correct now is this notion of this kind of craziness that when you see the truth, somebody is using propaganda to attack somebody, you get quiet. It will go around and hit you back as well. And people I'm referring to now happen to be those that used to support DOS in the past that are now, they have retracted their steps, like Methuselah, Njideke Canada, Achalogo, and so many other people. Some of them are, as they unfold, they are seeing reason why to rethink. But when the whole thing started, they were neither there nor here. Like Achebe Paul, Elochukwu, Abaranze, Prince Darlington. These guys don't want to accept that they made a mistake in the past. I'm not saying this to mock them now, but I'm saying this to myself. It is time to learn something. Like as of this moment, I have a very, very, very different opinion from many other people, maybe minority of the people on Ogenkere. But believe you me, if DOS begin to wake up, say that Ogenkere is kidnapping people now, I'm not going to believe them. Despite my differences with what he's doing. That's exactly what I want us to learn. You see, this idea of I have a problem with you, I will not generalize that problem to become problem for all is wrong. If you are against lies or propaganda, cabal building, do it just be against it anywhere you see it. Don't segregate. Any cabal, any evil that is supported in the day and at night, evil become good. That means evil will still hit you in your household. If that's your place that you will feel comfortable, evil will penetrate there and you will not have any voice to counter it. So many things are going on. Ebekuedike presented a video of 3 guys that somebody that has a gentle voice, and they said that he's gentle. We know that it's AI. He also presented a video of people where they're cutting somebody, head and all that. The background voice is also gentle. They say it's gentle. Now, what you need to understand that we are living in an era of AI. You have to prove beyond every reasonable doubt that what you are saying is actually facts, because people can frame people up. You that is innocent, that you don't mean to, you jump into that, begin to circulate it as if that is true. He says something while talking now. Now the body police are. I keep on repeating myself. I'm not in support of claim of anybody, any criminality. But I cannot, because I don't support criminality or crime or killing, I cannot just shut up my mouth when I know, after seeing that story, series of events in Igbo land where military open fire on an innocent protesters and go to Amnesty International, you see list of people kidnapped. Under Ebekuedike and this SGS, a lot of Biafrans, was arrested. A lot of them were arrested and sent to somewhere in the north. They are not being released today. Go and listen to Master Megano's speech. I mean, the memo or the letter that the lawyer published, reasons why he's sacking or ending the career agitators of SDOS. Number 1 there is the negligences of prisoners, different prisoners that none of them are making any move to release those people. But when you list the Ebekuedike, if you are not well connected to or to fast, you will be, kicked out and they will talk you off. They are capable of talking you out of the line. But no. Masakano will always win them. Okay? Because our people don't joke with the truth. You cannot dribble people like that. Vicar, a very ugly human being, doing everything possible to end Masakano's life. Anyway, let's continue.
Ndị DOS bịa si na onye ahụ dị member. Nọmba na ha na ndị Kanu so. Ndị IPOB si na ha na Nnamdi Kanu na ha na Simon Ekperima. Ndị DOS si na ha na Simon Ekperima. Sorry to say this. Ndị DOS bịa si na Simon Ekperima ahụ dị member. Ndị IPOB bịa si na Simon Ekperima ahụ ha dị member. Ha na-ede na report to everything. Na sibia bịa me investigation ndị dem.
They actually did all those things, we agree. But at the end of the day, what happened? He said DOS and the IPOB. You don't understand that. What he considers as IPOB is Chikedozemo, Chinasaworo, and rest of them. What he considers as IPOB is Kandakan, lawyers, Mazakano's wife, and the siblings and all that. That is true. And their media team that used to label all the attack and promoting the negativity on PM, without knowing that PM and Mazakano Gan are not different. The killing they are talking about, history has it that they are the one also killing to justify, their contract and their payments with governors. That the video that I published earlier today on my main platform, go and watch it, maybe you understand more. If you see evil things, call it evil. Don't hesitate.
I commit criminality, not what they are member. Not knowing Nnamdi Kanu link all these criminals to their member.
This idiot that we are hearing now has this guy, almost everybody that he's in contact with, he has already threatened them. He threatened people that he's gonna do this and do that. That's why education is always important, very, very important. This stout, a retard that cannot even present himself very, very well. On that kind of man, I will deny the more because I have more income. Easy, Vida. Look at, let's open his mouth. Then I'm going to a rink. And I see I kill you. He can't even make a sentence in English. I'm not saying that English is a yardstick to judge, intelligence, but at least, since you are very, very, aware or you are highly connected, you can see in the secret. Why can't you also see how senseless you sound, how bad, how evil you are? All in the name of Simon Ekperima, that thing. So you that is talking, and how far? They said that Masakano can hijack IPOB. He hijacked IPOB. Now you did not hijack Radio Biafra, but in 5 years you are yet to even convert one person. Instead, people are believing you, abandoning you because you have nothing to offer. Nothing. Their own is them. They are counting scores in the word of that our brother. Or what is going on in Igbo land. And they ignore people that are lured out to protest and that died. They are now transferring the aggression of Nnamdi Kanu. They forgot that Kanu happened to be in DSS that lead to him now in Sokoto. He's not out. But under this SGS, they command people to come out and protest and they got killed. But they had what they need security. Oh, Samarapa is one. Who pulled trigger to fight Igbo youth that you guys asked to protest? The people that fight that day, do you know how many? This man claimed that what the people that died is 4,000 something. Liars, and I don't blame you. You don't know the difference between 44, like 4 is a number, or 14 or 40, let alone 400 to compare 4,000. You don't know the difference between this because he's an illiterate.
One hour moment I didn't Zakrika. Ebana wants so danya or that don't meet you. This guy play everybody games. Boom why
He's insulting
rape one day. Boom nine dinky wine, boom nine dinky, okay, kidnap one day, kidnap. Set you moon nine in everybody ablaze. So also good for if this from or see I try make gay also. We Bogota number no. So seven na gigo from Okibe. We bati soch, we bata omuna, bata nimo, bata rondi zogo, bati hite, batu munze, bata kawanato, bata warizikala, bata ojare, we batu fuma, we bagote, bata wezlifte. Those are got aside. These people killed over total numbers of people have 4,884 innocent people. These criminals, Jabucha mother, kidnap.
Then ask this Okoko, what is your proof? Like, how did you know the number of the people? How did you know the number of the people? They can frame number like that just to buy sympathy, to deceive people. Because the money, in the word of that our brother, they receive somehow is choking them. Anyway, please, I'm gonna end it here. You already know who they are. I'm not making this for you to change your mind, but to let you know that you need to open your mind to see things for yourself the way it is, without being manipulated or being talked to, or being lured to do what you're not supposed to do. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Good morning.